Okay, to save some time when you do lots of images like I'm going to do now, let's say you've added one or two caps, you can just go to products, okay, all products, just go to the bottom, duplicate, okay, let's say duplicate this one, and then it's got all the settings and all the categories already done. So it's got your name there, which obviously now changed to new cap. It might still be acrylic, whatever. You might just need to change something like that. Because here it will still be head where everything's been selected already, so you don't have to recreate all this and just make sure it is a promo or it is a workforce or is a wherever it's supposed to be. And then just click remove product image and set product image, and then you can set this one. Okay, so it's got to make sure you got the new name here, that's all, and click publish. So if you go to all products, this might just be a little bit of a time saver when you do lots and lots of duplicates of the same thing. So just go below it, duplicate, and then just change the name in the picture.